In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and interpret a sunburst chart in Power BI, step by step. Whether you're a beginner or someone familiar with Power BI, this guide will walk you through creating a dynamic sunburst chart to bring your data to life in a visually engaging way. First things first, you'll want to open Power BI. If you don't have it installed, make sure to download and set it up so you're ready to follow along. Once you've opened Power BI, it's time to bring in your data. On the Home tab, you'll see options to import data from various sources. Select Get Data and choose the source that contains the data you're interested in visualizing. This could be an Excel sheet, a SQL database, or any other compatible data source. Importing your data correctly is crucial because the Sunburst chart will rely on this data to display meaningful insights. Next, move over to the Visualization pane. It's located on the right-hand side of your Power BI interface. Here, you'll see a collection of standard visuals you can use. However, the Sunburst chart isn't included in the default set of Power BI visuals, so we need to go a step further. Locate the three little dots at the bottom of the pane, which open up a menu for additional options. From this menu, select Get More Visuals. This takes you to a marketplace where you can search for a wide range of additional visual types and extensions. In the search bar, type in Sunburst chart and hit enter. Several results may pop up, but look for the one that aligns best with your needs in terms of functionality and style. Once you've found the Sunburst chart, simply click on it to add it to your Power BI environment. After you've successfully added the Sunburst chart visual, it's time to bring it onto your report canvas. You can find it now in your list of available visuals. Click and drag it onto your report page to start configuring. The Sunburst chart is excellent for showing hierarchical data, as it visualizes each level of the hierarchy in concentric circles. It's a great choice if, for example, you want to represent data like organization structures, product breakdowns, or any dataset that benefits from a drilled down view. Now let's add some data to your Sunburst chart. Select it on your canvas, and in the Fields pane, choose the fields you want to visualize. These should include hierarchical structures like category, subcategory, etc. As you add data, your Sunburst chart will start to come to life, allowing you to interpret the intricacies of your data structure. Play around with different fields to see how the visual changes and note how each layer of the Sunburst reveals a deeper level of insights. And that's it! You've created a Sunburst chart in Power BI. Take some time to explore the customization options to enhance its appearance and ensure it meets your reporting needs. Don't forget to continually check your underlying data for accuracy to maintain the integrity and insights of your